We are in the wildlife park and here are the little piggies. Welcome to another vlog, and yeah, we're starting this vlog in the wildlife park and with some pot-bellied pigs.
Richtig schön.
Yeah. Hello, we are in Scotland now. I wish we were. Oh, hello. That's what I'm talking about.
Die geht doch gar nicht voll.
Komm her, wir müssen das reinmischen. Ja, du?
Ja, da kommt er.
Jenny. Hallo.
Okay, alles gut. Vorsicht. Hey, vorbei.
Oh.
Ist vorbei. Oh, vorbei. This is the price. That's the price they have to pay. Oh. No. This is too much. Okay, I now have my own beers. I have the shits. Ow. Ow. Yeah.
Wenn ich das mal esse, dann fresse ich.
I'm a bit scared.
Jetzt traut er sich.
Hallo.
Das ist ganz schlimm. Hau mal ab.
Hau mal ab. Geh weg. Go away. Go away. Go. Go away. Please. Go. You had enough. Oh. Ja, ja, ja. Das ist der Ungestüm, der hat schon ganz viele.
Oh, der ist aber süß, ne?
Ja,
Geil.
das ist süß.
Wo ist der? Da.
Ja, warte, ich versuche dir was zu geben. Wir gehen hier rüber. Hier so, komm. Süß. Ihr seid bescheuert. Ihr seid nicht bescheuert. I have a snorkel on. This is my private ear. Yes, hello, hello. If you keep calm, you can get one. Some.
Steht doch auf dem Boden.
Ja. Ja, ich kann das hier nicht niesen, wenn ihr so doll. Guck mal, ist leer. Ist leer. Leer und kaputt. Ja, ihr Mäuse. Hello. Hello. Yeah, it's empty now.
Nein?
Look at this little pond. Oh, this is so beautiful. We're in the forest now and looking for some bears. There he is. Oh, he wants to sleep. Oh, little teddy bear. The big one is moving. Oh, the small one. Quiet. Now he's running. I'm not sure if he knows what he's doing. Yeah, now it's better. Okay, we leave them a bit of the privacy, I think. Yeah. Hello, hello.
Was ist denn passiert?
Hello.
Was ist passiert?
He knows it.
Auf die Seite kommt. Sie ist ja nur von hinten.
Okay. This was a big burpee. Burp. Now I'm in China. Looks like I'm in a bamboo garden and we are walking down this bridge. Ooh. This is a shaky bridge. So we have here some ducks. That's all. Oh no, there are some little rats. It is diving, you can't see it. Look at the mouth. They look funny. This is a beautiful one. And those are having a good bath. The little otters. Oh. Hello. We are on an apple farm and we are having a little picnic. This is our little picnic car. We went here and now we are unpacking our little plates. What's that? Variety of cheese. Ooh. More bread. Little cakes. Some dessert. Something tomato-like. Meatballs. Some veg. Oh, look at this one. There's some eggs and some butter and apple marmalade maybe. So we will enjoy now this little picnic. This apple juice is produced here on this farm and there are different apple types and I have the Braeburn. These are the apples I usually buy and it's delicious. It's a bit sour, but it tastes like a clear apple juice, but obviously it isn't. And we have a wonderful view here. So we have our own tent and have a wonderful view on the cherry trees, and here are some flowers. There are also some other people here, and look at this cute garden over there. I think there is water in between. We have changed the seats. We are sitting under a little cherry tree and enjoy the weather and the birds and the butterflies and digest. Yeah, that's so beautiful here. Here are all the apples. This one is Cox Orange. And this one is Conference. And this one is L-Star. You can sit here too. Oh, here's the Braeburn. The Braeburn one. Here it is. Oh, look at this little cherry tree. Beautiful. This is also Hamburg. Sorry for the dirty windows. We are driving over the Kölbrand Bridge. A very happy Sunday. We have this, we have this, we have this, and we have that. So can you guess what we are eating today? Of course there will be burgers on our fancy grill, and we will have some sausages too. This is our Sunday and we are enjoying the wind. Here's a bit of here. There's a bit of wind, as you may see. And today there are some nice clouds around, but it's dry and not too hot as yesterday. We tried to eat outside yesterday, but yeah, it was it was very hot. Hotter outside than inside. Crazy shit. Yeah, I just wanted to end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed our trips, and we will see us very soon. Thank you for watching, and take care, stay safe, and don't forget to have fun. Bye!